Welcome. In front of me I have the Motorola Moto G17 Power, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, access your boot options, which I believe we can do by swiping down from the top of our screen twice, and we have a power button right over here. Or I think alternatively you can press power button and volume up, and it does the same thing. And just to demonstrate it, as you can see, both of them bring up the same thing. In here, you want to hold power off. When you do, it brings up this window, reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Let's click on OK. And wait for the device to boot back up. Okay, that surely took a while. So let me just put my pin for the SIM card and the pin for the device. And you can see we have a watermark right here indicating that we are now in the desired mode. And while we're in this mode, any application that you have installed yourself will be temporarily terminated. Neither you nor the device can run this application. So if you try to open it up, it gives you this pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in this mode. Widgets also don't seem to work in here, even though they're part of like default applications, but nonetheless they fall under this category. So from here you can troubleshoot your device. If, for instance, you created some kind of application that is just messing about your device and you can't manage it in normal mode because it's constantly running in the background, something like that, you can boot this device into safe mode, and obviously you can fix it now. And once you're done with it, you can then reboot your device from here. So we're going to press on power button, we're going to select restart, and this will leave this mode and bring us back to normal mode. Now there's one more thing to keep in mind. I believe once we boot back into the normal mode, we might be still in airplane mode, as booting into safe mode does put the device in airplane mode. So I'm going to show you how to disable that as well. Okay, we're back up, and again, same kind of deal, unlock. And it looks like we're still in airplane mode right now. So something to keep in mind, when you exit this mode, you also need to remember to leave the airplane mode, as it is being enabled by default. So pull down your notifications like you just seen, and toggles, specifically toggles, and you will find it somewhere in here. If you don't see it anywhere on any of the pages, you can actually add it by clicking on the pencil, scrolling down to here, and then finding it, holding it, drag over to the top, drop it, and now you should definitely find it on one of the pages. Tap it, and mobile network, Wi-Fi, and everything else will come online. So with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.